Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use data query in Excel. This powerful feature, also known as Power Query, helps you connect to, transform, and load data from many sources directly into your spreadsheets. It's designed to save you hours by automating repetitive data preparation, ensuring your reports are always accurate and up to date. You can easily clean and reshape even very large datasets with just a few clicks. To begin, go to the Data tab in Excel and click Get Data. Here, you'll find options to connect to nearly any data source imaginable. Whether your data is in a local file, a database, or even on a website, Power Query can retrieve it. For instance, you can import data from a CSV file, an Excel workbook, or even a specific table on a web page, making data collection incredibly flexible. Once your data is imported, the Power Query editor window will open. This is where the magic happens. You can perform numerous transformations to clean and shape your data. For example, you might remove unnecessary columns, filter out specific rows, or change data types to ensure consistency. You can also merge multiple queries, combining data from different sources into one cohesive dataset, all with an easy-to-use interface. After you've finished transforming your data, click Close and Load to bring the refined dataset directly into an Excel worksheet. It will appear as a neatly formatted table, ready for your analysis and reports. The best part is that your query remains connected to the original source. To update your data with the latest information, simply right-click on the table and select Refresh, saving you from manual re-entry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.